Hey everyone, welcome to Tushar Vlogs. So today I wanted to talk about my first impressions after putting on 35s. So if you guys haven't watched my video yet, I recently uploaded a video where I got the 35-inch tires. So basically after 35s, then I went ahead with the lift. Then I got the wheel alignment done. So that was also a challenge. I couldn't go anywhere else apart from the dealership because none of the other shops out there have 2021s in their wheel alignment systems yet, so they do not have the actual measurements for 2021, so I had to go back to the dealership to get it done. By the way, I also uploaded a video on how to put 1.5-inch TeraFlex lift onto your Jeep, so you will see a link up here. So first of all, I wanted to talk about the steering. I feel the steering has improved quite a bit. There is a lot of stability in the steering, especially after those stock tires. My steering was everywhere, but now with the 35s it's much more stable. I am guessing it's because of the wider tires. I have 12.5 35s into 12.5 tires on R18s, so steering is a bit more now stable. It's not going left or right, or I do not have to constantly pull it towards I do not have to pull it on the road. The other thing which I noticed, and guess I can live with that, is let me show you. When I put reverse, you see this, now half of the camera is gone, right? But it doesn't impact. I can still see, but then this is because of the aftermarket rim. I put fuels on there and I put a spacer for the extra tire, spare tire. I didn't go ahead with the repositioning of the spare wheel tire, neither with the reinforcement from Mopar or any other out there, or any other third-party suppliers out there. It's hanging pretty well, and no issues till now, no squeaking or no noise which I felt. The third thing which is really pissing me off, I should say, is the transmission. It's the shift points of my transmission. It's really messed up, and you see the difference when you're driving on highways. The Jeep doesn't have that pull. I feel the performance is a lot sluggish, and it's risky. So I would say it's dangerous because when you have to overtake, it doesn't really overtake. It's showing all the wrong numbers out there. It's putting the Jeep on 7th gear in 70 speed as per this speedo. But yeah, the speedo, I can live with the speedo, but the transmission shift points are really messed up. I basically want to get myself a speedo recalibrator, and I have ordered one. I have ordered the ECRI speedometer calibrator. I'll put a video up for you guys to see how I'm doing it. And talking about the mileage, I know it's not accurate, but it's showing 14 liters per 100 kilometers, but I don't know how accurate it is. But yeah, I guess I'll have the actual numbers for you once I recalibrate the speedo. But there is noticeable difference in the gas mileage I can see right now. Probably it's because of the speedo and the transmission shift points are not calibrated. It's consuming a lot more fuel. That was my short little review for you after putting on 35s and 1.5-inch lift. Let me know what do you think about the Jeep, and if you have any comments or suggestions, they are more than welcome. And yeah, thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Peace out. Bye bye.